Playing Zombie Tsunami but you want to switch to a language you're more comfortable with? Let me show you how to do it in just a few clicks. Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change language in Zombie Tsunami. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch the Zombie Tsunami app on your device and make sure you're on the main menu. Here, tap on the settings icon in the top section of your screen. In the settings menu, look for the language option. Only a selected amount of languages are available in Zombie Tsunami, and in order to change it, you'll just have to tap on the language option and find the language that you prefer. Once you've selected your language, the game will automatically switch to it. If not, you may need to confirm the change or restart the app. And that's it, you've successfully changed the language in Zombie Tsunami. Thanks for watching Make Gaming Easy. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new, subscribe and stay updated for the future videos.